Hello, and welcome to a new video with Dr. Paul Nia. Today, I'm really excited because I'm going to talk about something I'm passionate about, alcoholic propolis extract. This supplement is so powerful and versatile that it has become a key part of my daily routine. I want to share with you everything I've learned about it and explain why I'm convinced that propolis can have an incredible impact on your health. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on health, wellness, and emotional intelligence. As the saying goes, there's no such thing as a stupid question. It really helps us grow the channel and motivates us to keep creating quality content. So, let's begin. What makes propolis extract so special? Propolis is a natural substance made by bees. These tiny creatures do amazing work collecting nectar and resins from plants to make honey and propolis, a kind of protective resin. Inside the beehive, propolis plays a crucial role. It acts as a protective barrier against intruders, viruses, bacteria, and fungi. I'm not exaggerating when I say that the beehive is one of the cleanest and most sterile environments in the world. A true example of cleanliness. This knowledge has been gained after years of research, a true expert's work. Scientists started studying the effects of propolis on human health, and what they discovered is impressive. Propolis has antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immunomodulatory properties. In other words, it helps regulate the immune system, a true gift for our health. The effect of propolis on the human body. A natural treasure with multiple benefits. Propolis, this precious product from the beehive, is much more than just a resin produced by bees. Used for centuries in many cultures for its medicinal properties, modern science now confirms its effectiveness in maintaining and improving human health. Let's take a closer look at the different benefits of propolis on our body. First, antimicrobial properties. A natural shield against infections. Propolis has powerful antimicrobial properties. It acts as a real shield against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other pathogens. Studies have shown that propolis inhibits the growth of bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. These properties make it a valuable ally in the fight against respiratory infections, sore throats, dental cavities, and even some skin infections. For example, in case of a sore throat, gargling with propolis extract can soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and prevent the spread of germs. Many dentists also use propolis to treat oral infections and slow down the development of cavities. Secondly, the anti-inflammatory action, pain relief and inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is the main cause of many modern diseases, such as cardiovascular diseases, joint conditions like arthritis, and even some types of cancer. Propolis, rich in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, has a powerful anti-inflammatory action. It works by inhibiting inflammatory mediators, such as cytokines, which reduces pain and swelling. For example, people suffering from joint pain or chronic inflammatory diseases can experience relief through the regular use of propolis. Some studies also show that propolis can be used in the treatment of intestinal inflammation, particularly in cases of diseases such as ulcerative colitis. Antioxidant action, protection against aging and degenerative diseases. Oxidative stress is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. This can damage cells and DNA, leading to premature aging and degenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's, diabetes, or cardiovascular disease. Propolis is rich in natural antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Regularly consuming propolis can slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Also, studies show that the antioxidants in propolis can improve skin condition by reducing wrinkles and promoting cell regeneration. Immune system modulation, strengthening our natural immunity. Propolis doesn't just protect against germs, it also regulates our immune system. It helps our body find a balance between an overactive immune response, like with allergies or autoimmune diseases, and a weak response, which makes us vulnerable to infections. It stimulates the production of immune cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, which play a key role in fighting infections. That's why propolis is often recommended for boosting immunity, especially during times with a higher risk of infection, like fall or winter. Some studies even show propolis is effective for asthma, showing it can reduce airway inflammation and improve lung function. Digestive system support, an ally in the fight against gastrointestinal disorders. The digestive system is often exposed to harmful factors such as a poor diet, stress, or contact with pathogens. Propolis, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, can help protect the intestinal lining and maintain a good balance of the microbiota. It is effective against bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori, responsible for some stomach ulcers. In addition, it can improve digestion by reducing intestinal inflammation, which makes it useful in disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Some users also report an improvement in digestive comfort after integrating propolis into their diet, with a decrease in bloating and abdominal pain. Cardioprotective effects, preventing cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases are one of the leading causes of death worldwide, a real sword of Damocles. Propolis can play a protective role, improving the health of blood vessels. Like a dedicated family doctor, it helps reduce inflammation of the artery walls, lowers the oxidation of bad cholesterol, LDL, which we fight so hard against, and helps regulate blood pressure, a key factor for good health. These combined effects can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, a disease in which the arteries harden and narrow, like roads under construction, which can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Anti-diabetic effects, improving insulin sensitivity. Propolis can also be beneficial for people with diabetes or at risk of developing this disease. It works by improving the sensitivity of cells to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. By reducing chronic inflammation and protecting the cells of the pancreas, propolis can help stabilize blood sugar and prevent diabetes-related complications such as nerve damage and kidney disease. Reduce the side effects of heavy medical treatments. People undergoing heavy medical treatments like chemotherapy can experience significant side effects, including fatigue, nausea, and a weakened immune system. Propolis, thanks to its immunostimulant and regenerative properties, can help reduce these symptoms. Preliminary studies show that patients who consumed propolis during their treatment noticed an improvement in their energy levels and a decrease in opportunistic infections. Propolis and prostate health, an essential ally for men. Prostate health is a major concern for men, especially after the age of 40. Many factors related to age, lifestyle, or heredity can affect the proper functioning of this gland. Propolis, with its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immunomodulatory properties, offers a natural solution to preserve and improve prostate health. Let's take a closer look at how this product can become a powerful ally in the prevention and treatment of prostate conditions. What is the prostate and why is it important? The prostate is a small gland located below the bladder, surrounding the urethra, which plays an essential role in the male reproductive system. It is responsible for producing part of the seminal fluid, which protects and nourishes sperm. However, with age, this gland can encounter various problems, including benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This condition is characterized by an increase in the volume of the prostate, which is not cancerous. Symptoms include difficulty urinating, frequent urination, especially at night, and a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. Prostatitis, an inflammation of the prostate that can be acute or chronic. It is often accompanied by pelvic pain, fever, difficulty urinating, and sexual dysfunction. Prostate cancer, one of the most common cancers in men, which usually develops without symptoms and can be fatal if not detected early. Anti-inflammatory properties of propolis, reducing enlargement and pain. Chronic inflammation is one of the main mechanisms responsible for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, and prostatitis. Indeed, persistent inflammation can lead to swelling of the prostate tissues, which compresses the urethra and disrupts urination. Propolis is rich in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which act as natural anti-inflammatories. These compounds inhibit inflammatory mediators, such as cytokines, thereby reducing swelling and the resulting pain. For men with BPH, regular consumption of propolis can help improve urinary flow and reduce the frequency of nighttime urination. Antioxidant protection, preventing cell damage. Oxidative stress is a key factor in cellular aging and the development of diseases such as prostate cancer. It occurs when free radicals, unstable molecules, damaged cells, and DNA. Propolis is an excellent source of natural antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, thus protecting prostate cells from mutations and damage. Studies have shown that men who regularly consume antioxidants, such as those found in propolis, have a lower risk of developing degenerative diseases, including cancer. Immune system modulation, strengthening the body's natural defenses. A weakened or dysregulated immune system can promote the onset of diseases, including those of the prostate. Propolis helps regulate immune activity by stimulating macrophages and lymphocytes, cells essential for the body's defense. In the context of infection prevention, propolis can increase resistance to the bacteria responsible for prostatitis. Men prone to recurrent prostatitis can therefore benefit from this immunomodulatory action to space out and reduce inflammatory episodes. Propolis and prostate cancer prevention. Although research is still ongoing, several studies suggest that propolis may have a protective effect against prostate cancer. Some of its components, such as caffeic acid and flavonoids, have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, that is, the programmed cell death of cancer cells, reduce the formation of new blood vessels, thus limiting the supply of nutrients to tumors. These results are encouraging, but it is important to remember that propolis is not a substitute for conventional medical treatment. On the other hand, it can be used in addition to improve the quality of life of patients and strengthen the body's natural defenses, improve urinary comfort. One of the most bothersome symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia is difficulty urinating. This can result in a weak urine stream, interrupted urination, and a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. By reducing inflammation and promoting decongestion of prostate tissues, propolis can improve urinary function. Many men report a decrease in frequent urination, especially at night, after a few months of taking propolis regularly. How to integrate propolis into your preventive routine. To benefit from the benefits of propolis on prostate health, it is advisable to consume an alcoholic extract containing at least 11% active ingredients. Here are some tips for optimal use. Take 30 drops diluted in a little water, twice a day, morning and evening. For people who cannot consume alcohol, opt for an aqueous extract, although the concentration of active ingredients is generally lower. Always seek advice from a healthcare professional before starting a course of treatment, especially if the person is already taking medication. A comprehensive approach to prostate health. Propolis should not be used in isolation. It is part of a comprehensive approach to health that includes a balanced diet, favor foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Regular physical activity, exercise improves blood circulation and promotes hormonal balance. Stress management. Chronic stress can worsen inflammation and hormonal imbalances. Relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation can be beneficial. Regular medical follow-up. Have your prostate checked after the age of 40, including a PSA, prostate-specific antigen test, and a digital rectal exam. Patient testimonials. Many men have seen a marked improvement after incorporating propolis into their routine. For example, a patient suffering from frequent nighttime urination reported a significant reduction in his symptoms after 3 months of taking propolis regularly. In another patient with a family history of prostate cancer, markers of inflammation decreased during follow-up examinations. Conclusion: protect your health with propolis. Prostate health is a crucial issue for men, especially with age. Propolis offers a natural solution to reduce inflammation, protect cells, and strengthen immunity. By incorporating this supplement into your routine, you can improve your quality of life and prevent many complications. Take care of yourself, adopt a healthy lifestyle, and see your doctor regularly. Thanks to propolis and a comprehensive preventive approach, you're giving yourself the best chance of maintaining a healthy prostate.